Hello, in this C video we are going to look at decision making and we're going to be starting with if statements. So you'll combine these with relational operators, which I covered in a separate video. So this really does complement that video because realistically you won't really use the relational operators most of the time on their own without something like a conditional statement or something like decision making, however, whatever you want to call it. So to do it, it's simple. You put the keyword if, open close parenthesis, and in here you put your condition, your relational operator. And let's say if I put 5 greater than 10, that's not true. So you put curly braces and all the code in here is run if this condition is true. And if I put printf, and I'll just say yay, if I give that a run, let's wait for it to completely run, nothing gets printed out because 5 greater than 10, that is false. 5 is not greater than 10. But if I was to, let's say, put 50 greater than 10 is 50 greater than 10, then run this piece of code or anything between the curly braces, it runs yay. There you go, fantastic. So I mean, that's it. There's nothing more to it than that. You can put variables inside. So I could create a variable int num1 equals 50, and I could replace that with num1. It doesn't have to be integers. You could use other data types for the relational operation. That's totally up to you. And again, this still produces the result of yay. You could have multiple variables as well. So let's put 9, put num2. That will still work and you'll still produce the result yay. Again, you can combine it as well with the AND operator and put another condition like 6 is equal to 6, which it is. And with the AND, all of it has to equate to true. So all of this has to equate to true on some level. So again, check out the relational operators. That will really help you. Another thing I want to show you is what happens if I do this. If I get rid of the curly brace, I personally prefer the curly brace. But what happens if I just have this like so? If I run it, that still works. Okay, you're thinking that's still running, that's good. But what if I want another line that's also only going to get run if num1 is greater than num2? And if I do this, and I'm going to say call it line 2, doesn't really matter. Actually, you know what? I'll put Halo Infinite. You may not see this, I may not upload this video yet because I've got other ones to upload, but Halo Infinite campaign is coming out today at 6 p.m. UK time. So yeah, so I'll give it a shout out, but like a little hello. So \n just for formatting, and I'll run that. Okay, my thinking, that's working well, that's going okay. But what if this condition is false? What if num1 is 5? Is 5 greater than 9? No. Yet Halo Infinite campaign still gets printed out. The reason is if you don't put curly braces, it only takes the next immediate line to be the line that would run if this if statement equates to true. So that's the reason, just to avoid any ambiguity, I always put curly braces. By putting these curly braces, it's a surefire way of making sure it works the way it needs to work. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord group. There's a link in the description. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next C video. Also, feel free to check out my new YouTube shorts, and I'm doing them on a bunch of programming tips and tricks. No jokes, no memes, just actual tips and tricks. So see you soon. Bye bye.